Sum in Excel. We are discussing on how to sum large numbers in Excel. Select an empty cell, type equal sign, then type sum function, then open braces, select the ranges of cells, then close braces, press enter to get results. I got results for Nancy student. I can drag it for all the other students. So sum has been applied automatically. This we have done for columns, and we can also do the same for rows. Equal sign, sum, open braces, select the ranges of cells, then close braces, enter. We can copy and paste it for other cells. Then we got results for all the rows. Thank you.